Hi everyone, I'm the teacher from Snuggle Bunny. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper plate dinosaur. For paper plate dinosaur, the material that we need are a paper plate, a sheet of paper, glue, marker, pencil, scissor, clothespin, eyes, a paintbrush and paint. Paint can be any pastel color. As you can see, I have taken the sheet of paper blue and my paint is also blue. So you can take a little light dark shade, combination of a light and dark shade, but try and use the pastel colors. First I take the paper plate and I'm going to fold it into half. So the inner part is going to be folded like this. I'll have to see whether I'm folding it properly. Open the fold, paint the inner part and start painting. Try not to leave any white patch. Allow a paper plate to dry for some time. Now our paper plate has dried, as you can see. Here I am taking a paper which is a little thicker paper or textured paper if you have, and the fold that we had given on the paper plate initially, try to go over that fold and fold the paper plate again. Place the paper in between. I place the paper in between the paper plate, as you can see. So I am going to go over the semicircle of the paper plate and I am drawing it till half of it. Okay. Now I will make another circle, leaving a little gap. I'll make one more semicircle just above this. Okay. In between I'm going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now with my marker I'm going to go over the spikes so that you all can see it. You all don't need to do it since you all have already done with a pencil. You all don't need to do it with a marker. But now, after finishing the spikes, I need to make the face of the dinosaur and the tail of the dinosaur. First, I go with the face, touching my paper plate. I'm going to take the face of the dinosaur. Like this. I make it dark and show you all. Yeah, and then I will take a tail the same. Now I have to cut the spikes, the tail, and wherever I've gone with the marker or the pencil, I'm going to cut it. So I remove the paper plate. And I'm going to cut the shape I've given of the dinosaur. You can draw how many ever spikes you want to. Now the shape of the dinosaur is ready. We'll take a paper plate that we have painted and we are going to put the dinosaur in the middle. See that you take it properly because we have to stick it inside, so it should not come out from any side. It will appear like this, both the side. Now I am going to put glue on the inner side of the paper plate. So there I go. I need to be careful while sticking so that the paper inside is not seen and I give it a good finish. So I'll turn my paper plate, full dinosaur, and I have to stick this part too. Stick it on the board. This for some time, so both my sides are sticking. Then I will take my marker and I will draw the mouth of the dinosaur. I'm going to stick the eyes. I have googly eyes here. You can even do it with your marker. So I will just put a dot and I will stick my googly eyes. I will stick the eyes on both the sides. So you can keep your dinosaur and observe it from both the sides. We have to paint the clothespin. Similar color you take of the body of the dinosaur and just go over the clip. Once I have completed painting, allow the clips to dry. Similarly, I painted the other clip also. I'll allow it to dry. Once the clip has dried, I'm going to put it the lower part where this is the legs of the dinosaurs. I'm going to make my dinosaur stand. Similarly, I have made one more dinosaur, and as you can see, I have given it a different size of neck. This is a little broad, this is a little narrow. In this way, you can make as many dinosaurs as you want, different sizes, different shapes, as there are many types of dinosaurs we know. You can even use different colors, and the combination you can see that I have taken light dark, and the clip also has to be the same color as you can see in both the dinosaurs.